Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can get Adobe Illustrator completely for free. Before you start the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get into it guys. First of all, you will need WinRAR to download this. If you don't know how to download it, I will post an explanation in the description below. Once you got WinRAR on your PC, you can go ahead and click on the other link I posted in the description below. That link will bring you to this website. Just simply click on the green button which says download, and it should install Adobe Illustrator on your PC. If the download is complete, extract the file on your desktop. Open it up and open the .exe file. This will open a small window. Choose the directory where you want to install this in and click on the big button, and it should start installing. Once the installation is complete, it will open the installation of Adobe Illustrator. Make sure to uncheck the bottom bar and then click on install. This will install Visual C++ on your PC. Once Visual C++ is installed, it will open Creative Cloud. Choose the language you prefer and a directory, and it should start installing it immediately. If Creative Cloud is installed, then click on your Windows button and type in Adobe Illustrator. And you're good to go, you just installed Adobe Illustrator on your PC. If there's anything I can help you with, just comment down below and I'll help you as good as possible. Or just join my stream on mixer.com. Thanks a lot for watching everybody, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video guys.